Because honestly, what would we do without her? Hello Barbie lovers and beyond, and welcome back to my channel. This is Marina the 90s Barbie, and in this channel we do tons of amazing stuff related to Barbie, so of course don't forget to subscribe if you don't want to miss out. Oh my wow everyone, it is Barbie's birthday. Our girl is turning 66 years old today, and all I can think of is, wow, how time flies. It feels like yesterday when we were celebrating Barbie's 65th birthday, so it's been a whole year. Our girl is more fabulous than ever, and I am just so happy. It is also Women's History Month, and yesterday was International Women's Day, so we do have so much to celebrate, and I always like to highlight how important that is and how amazing that Barbie's birthday coincides with these two. So for today's celebration, we have this fabulous girl over here, who's none other than the iconic 1997 Happy Birthday Barbie. Now I do have this doll new in box, but I was also lucky enough to find one out in the wild, so I'm really excited to be giving her a makeover and trying some celebratory looks. I chose this vintage 90s beauty to celebrate because she is one of my favorite birthday Barbies of all time, and I was also inspired by the one-of-a-kind rainbow bloom princess doll designed by our darling Angel Kent for the Mexican fashion doll convention as part of an auction for a good cause. So yeah, this beautiful doll reminded me of this iconic 90s beauty, and I thought we'd celebrate rainbow style this year. So yeah, Barbie 66, y'all. Our icon came into this world 66 years ago, and I just feel so lucky and so blessed to have her still to this day. Because honestly, what would we do without her? So I'm really looking forward to restoring this girl to her former glory and celebrating this amazing anniversary, this amazing occasion. So without any further ado, let's get right into it.
To the salon!
Okay, so before we begin, let's take a closer look at her. Look at how beautiful she is. I am so obsessed with her makeup, the color scheme of her screening, everything. Just the blue eyeshadow, classic 90s Barbie, and the pink lip, chef's kiss. I'm also fortunate enough, and this girl really is in a pretty good shape, so it's not like we're going to need to do too much, which is why I'm gonna start with a 1-hour white vinegar dip, which I'm gonna do off screen. And if you want to check out more details about that, you can check out the video I'll have on the screen. But basically, it's just a preliminary treatment I do now for all my pre-lab dolls, just to rule out any mold, because it is one of my greatest Barbie fears. Now, other than that, she doesn't really need much. So once that is finished, we're going to just wash her, shampoo her hair, condition, detangle, do a little boil wash, and also fix those bangs right here with the classic straw method. Okay, I'm really excited and I cannot wait to see her all finished up and perfect, ready to be styled. So let's get right on it. Just a little note to keep in mind here, because this girl has kanekalon hair, I would suggest waiting 3 to 5 minutes for the boiling water to cool down a bit and then combing the hair between dips to avoid any frizz. Okay everyone, so our girl is ready and looking so fabulous and beautiful. As you saw, I did something really simple. I kept her hair down, didn't do any intricate hairstyle whatsoever because I want her to be very versatile. I think she's turning out to be beautiful. There is actually a version of this specific doll, the 1997 Birthday Barbie, that has like pigtails sort of, or half up, half down pigtails, and it's really cute. However, both this girl and the version I have in box do have the same like loose hairstyle. So if I do ever manage to get one more in the wild like this, I will be probably giving her the pigtails, but I want this girl to be versatile and I think she's turning out beautifully. So we're gonna leave her right now, leave her dry. I've actually realized how much restoring Barbie makes me hungry. So I'm gonna go take my break, leave her dry out and be fabulous, and we'll catch up with you in a minute to try on some fabulous, amazing, rainbow-themed celebratory birthday Barbie outfits. Category is Rainbow Birthday Fantasy. Okay, everyone, that was simply magical. Thank you so much for joining me for this beautiful Barbie party. I hope you enjoyed it. I certainly did. I am so happy, excited, pleased, grateful with how stunning and gorgeous this vintage beauty ended up being. I mean, look at her. She looks brand new. This dress, of course, was made for her. And I am just so happy I get to celebrate Barbie's birthday in this way and with all of you, of course. For 66 whole years, Barbie has been encouraging us to be our authentic selves, to be anything we want to be, unapologetically, no matter which color of the rainbow we feel closer to. And that's why I wanted to celebrate this birthday in this way, and I am just so happy.
Look at this queen.
Pastel fantasy rainbow queen. Thank you, Barbie, for everything. And of course, happy birthday. You are a huge part of who I am today, and I am forever grateful. Okay, so some outfit details. For the first look, we used the skirt of the pop star Barbie, the career doll. The rainbow top actually came with the Barbie Extra car. And the pastel blue faux was of course from Barbie Extra Fly, the Millie girl. And of course we also used some fun accessories, although I don't remember where everything is from. So yeah, I'm sorry about that. Now for the second look, this fashion pack came, I believe, 3 or 4 years ago. It's been a minute now. But yeah, this fabulous rainbow overalls or bodysuit with a cutout in the middle. So cute. It's like a modern casual version of this gown or her original gown. And I am just so happy I got to try it on her. And of course, closing, we couldn't forget about this gorgeous, stunning gown by the fantastic designer Carlisle Nuera from Birthday Wishes Barbie 2018 or 19, I'm not quite sure, somewhere around that timeline. This Birthday Wishes was one of my top favorites and still is to this day, because she pays homage to this 1997 beauty. And I mean, look at her, it's like a full circle moment. I love this so much. And interestingly enough, there was also an 80s Barbie that wore this sort of rainbow gown. So yeah, Rainbow Barbie and Birthday Barbie, it's a theme and we love it so much, especially when the rainbow is such a fabulous pastel fantasy. You know, this look is right up my alley. Of course it is my favorite. I am contemplating leaving her like this forever, but I just wanted to have her as a doll to change outfits, so I don't know. She is restored now, and she looks so fabulous like this, so maybe I should end up getting one more, you know? Hopefully I'll find one. Anyway, so to finish up this final grandiose birthday rainbow princess look, we of course had to give her a wand. And I love how the Fairytopia magical mermaid crown fits her so well and completed this look in the best possible way. Now obviously I am obsessed with this, but of course do let me know down below in the comments which one was your favorite look out of the 3. I'd love to know. And also, how are you celebrating this fabulous day, Barbie's birthday? Do you have this doll? Let me know because I'm always looking forward to hearing your thoughts and opinions. Now, I am seriously in awe of her. She is so beautiful. This has to be one of my favorite makeovers to date. And you know, every time I restore a vintage Barbie like this beauty, I am always so amazed with how gorgeous it turns out, that it's like doing it for the first time each time. And I just love this feeling. I love giving new life to these vintage gorgeous dolls. As you all know, and as my name suggests, of course, 90s is my favorite era of Barbie, obviously. And so I couldn't think of a better way to celebrate another fabulous year of Barbie, which I believe we all can agree was a great year for Barbie actually, because we saw so many fabulous design. Barbie going back to her, well, 90s and vintage in general roots, embracing Barbie core, embracing everything we love about her, while also remaining an empowering icon. We love it. So again, I hope you all enjoyed this little party. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for joining us. And if you want to see more photos of this gorgeous gal and all her looks, don't forget to follow me on my Instagram and on my Instagram right here. And if you did enjoy this video, also don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you know every time I upload a new one. Again, thank you so much for watching. What a magnificent occasion. What a lovely day. Another year for Barbie, another Barbie birthday. Thank you, Barbie. Happy birthday, girl. We love you more than words. Until next time, do everything you love. Celebrate your dolls. Be you unapologetically. Dream somewhere over the rainbow. And of course, keep a positive attitude because it really does change everything. Happy birthday, Barbie. Peace.